is just pouring out here.
Okay.
That's the water coming off the gutter. Is that enough rain for you already?
Wow!
Wow! That was okay, maybe it's not safe to be out here. That is loud.
Haley!
Oh my gosh. Oh, they're like soaked in 2 seconds.
Oh my gosh, that's
What is that? That bottle's just floating down the road.
my sister's water bottle.
That's your sister's water bottle?
That's Kobe's sister.
Oh, Kobe's sister's water
Camry's
bottle.
water bottle.
Camry's water bottle is floating down the road. Oh no. Alright, here comes Goose on loose. Holy cow, look at that bottle. It's just going. It's just gone. It's a flood. Bye, bottle. Oh my gosh.
Oh no! Mom, there's water running down my back right now.
It's gonna keep going. I didn't think it would make it through that little area. Oh no. Oh no. That is crazy.
I'm so happy about that.
What's that, Goose? It's a pool.
Rub on your tongue. I'm catching a million. Okay, catch the hail. Ready?
Alright, why do you guys come in? You're too wet. Goose looks like a little drowned rat.
I have to change my clothes. There's water leaking down my back.
Crazy. She is just soaking.
Greetings, happy humans.
It's a rainy day. Hey, was there old Play-Doh in the grill? Laura found their Play-Doh grill, but it's got old Play-Doh in it. It kept it somewhat soft. That's bizarre. Oh, they're cute. 3D bananas.
3D.
3D bananas. It's too bad we don't have some minions to come eat them.
Oh, yeah. Can I make Play-Doh minions?
Play-Doh. Oh, that's a good idea. Make a Play-Doh minion. What are you going to make, Goose?
Yummy white bread, which is actually banana bread.
It's banana bread.
I need a red. Here's red. If I can get it out. It's up. Never been used. I opened up the red. It looks like a fruit roll-up. The blue and red mixed together. That's good.
All right, Goose is going to make a burger. Erin's making a sandwich, or she said banana bread. Oh, did you make that cookie? Are those mint chips? Yum.
Yo.
Yum.
This is for Cookie Swirl C.
You making it for Cookie Swirl C?
I love her. Okay, I'm going to do an epic Play-Doh flip. Ready, go. That wasn't so epic. That wasn't epic at all. We can all be honest there. What should I make?
Look at all these carbs on our table. Laura's preschool gives away free bread and like expired bakery items every Thursday. So we got French bread and pumpkin roll today. It's crazy.
Everything got so quiet. The struggle is real with Play-Doh. I have a good idea for you guys' next video.
Oh yeah, what's that?
Edible Play-Doh.
Oh, we could
And
do
you guys
that.
can do the real food versus Play-Doh food challenge.
What we make edible Play-Doh and then make Play-Doh food with it.
Uh-huh.
That's a really good idea.
Yeah, I'm gonna make some salads. One time I tried Play-Doh when I was really small, and it's horrible.
No, not! Play-Doh! It's not meant to be eaten.
It's not called Eat Dough. It's called Play-Doh.
Da-da-da! Steak.
You made a
Or
steak.
as me and my sister like to call it, stock.
Stock. Some stock steak.
Stock. Because we can't word.
Oh my!
That's all.
You made cheese, Erin?
I made cheese.
Made cheese. Put some cheese and some steak.
Put cheese, put the patty in between.
And a cookie. That looks like a good meal. And bananas. The bananas are tiny. That must be a giant piece of cheese and a giant steak and a giant cookie if that's what bananas look like next to
What
it.
did you have for snack today?
Bananas?
Baby bananas!
Were
Baby bananas.
They were baby bananas? How small were
They
they?
were like
this tiny.
No.
What?
that big, maybe.
Where do you buy baby bananas? I've never even seen
They're
one.
like that big.
Oh my
They're
gosh.
tiny. They're smaller than my hand.
So these guys, their school gives them a snack that's either a fruit or vegetable at the end of the day, and they want them to try something new, and they got teeny tiny baby bananas today.
Last time we had purple Brussels sprouts.
They
Oh, were they gross? Purple Brussels sprouts. Okay, I like Brussels sprouts, but I sure didn't like them when I was your age.
Let me put the salad on. Well, they were uncooked too. I only like cooked.
Oh, gross! They didn't cook them?
Yeah, they don't.
That's
When,
nasty.
if it's any fruit or vegetable, they don't cook them.
Oh, I wouldn't eat an uncooked Brussels sprout. No, yuck. I cook them and then I put butter and brown sugar on them. What do you got?
See the cookie. Where's the cookie?
You made a hamburger? Wow, Goose made the hamburger with the bun and the cheese and the tomato, and it's all red.
This one looks like a fruit roll-up.
Oh, is that one old?
No,
Is it still soft?
it's soft, but it has blue.
It got mixed.
Yeah.
Mixed Play-Doh. Whatever will we do?
And it's Darth Vader.
Erin's having a first world problem. Somebody mixed their blue Play-Doh with my red Play-Doh. Ah!
Crisis.
I mixed someone's white Play-Doh with dirt.
Aha!
I know.
Erin's a Play-Doh mixer. This little fridge is super cool. Makes
I
all
can
these
chop
foods,
it up.
and it has this thing on the front. It's like the ice dispenser. It makes ice cubes. Oh, there's Play-Doh stuck in it. Yeah, that makes ice cubes. This thing is so cool.
Wafers.
I love to play with it.
We have had that fridge for years and years, and I got it from a thrift store, so it's held up really well. It's one of their favorite Play-Doh toys. Roger, what are you doing in here?
Watching videos.
Watching videos. Roger's watching his favorite YouTuber. Is that your ultimate favorite or one of your favorites?
Ultimate favorite.
Ultimate favorite YouTuber. Yeah. Not gonna go play Play-Doh with the girls, huh?
No.
No? How was school?
Terrible.
Why was it terrible?
Because it's school.
Because it's school. That's all the
You need to
excuse you need.
understand the logic of my world.
If it's school, it's always going to be terrible.
Yeah.
Oh. All right. These guys were supposed to make me an epic meal. What'd you make for me, guys?
So we made you a waffle, banana, piece of cheese. There's a dollop of frosting on here.
Frosting.
And there's a perfect strawberry.
Yum.
And there's some tomatoes and other stuff. And moving on to dessert. And chocolate. Gummy.
Ooh.
There's chocolate fans. There's a gummy bear right there. There's gummy owls. There's a gummy wafer and a chocolate wafer, of course. And there's a gummy star. And then there's a donut right here. I made it. And there's a dollop of frosting on here and here.
Yum.
And then there's 2 cookies. This one is M&M and this one is white chocolate chip.
Oh, yeah, I'm going to be sugar high. All right. Thanks for the delicious meal. Goose and I, say hi, Goose.
Hi.
Goose and I are about to go get pizza because her school gave us coupons for Domino's. So it's funny, I just took a nutrition course at her school so that we would eat healthier, and then her school's like, here, have some carbs and some more carbs. I just need to grow up and stop eating them though. So, but we got her coupon for her Domino's and she's so excited. We're gonna go get pizza, huh, Goose?
And you wanna do a video?
Video getting pizza, okay. Let's go get it. What's with this, guy?
I don't know.
We've got to go get pizza.
Well, should we come with you?
Yeah, if you want to.
Yeah!
Okay, Chloe and Aaron are coming.
Let's go get pizza!
Okay, Laura, tell me what you did at preschool yesterday with the Domino's pizza lady. What did you do?
She made a pizza for us.
Yeah, did she help you make a pizza?
Yeah, and I put it in my oven.
You put it in the oven.
And then I gave it to me.
What kind of toppings were on your pizza?
Pepperonis.
Did you? I thought you said you made a cheese pizza.
Yeah.
Was
I
it just
put
plain cheese?
all over.
You put cheese all over, and that was it? Just cheese?
Yeah.
Yummy.
Then I put it in.
Guess what kind of pizza we're getting tonight?
What?
We're going to get 1 cheese and 1 pepperoni and olives.
No, not pepperoni and olive.
Pepperoni and olives is delicious. You're
I
crazy,
have
Aaron. You
one.
don't like olives on your pizza?
I like pepperoni.
Just pepperoni and no olives?
Yeah.
What do you like on
I
your
have,
pizza, Chloe?
Mushrooms,
Mmm.
spinach.
Ew.
That's good.
I guess I like spinach if it's like a Mediterranean chicken type thing.
And then chicken,
Okay.
and then cheese,
And chicken and cheese.
and Alfredo sauce.
Mmm, that sounds good actually.
I have a pun.
I love Alfredo. Okay, let me hear
Pun
your
of the
pun.
day. Why don't some couples go to the gym?
I don't know why.
Because some relationships don't work out.
Rude! Alright, let's go get the pizza, guys. The girls found this giant chalk wall to draw on. Chloe was here.
No, we're supposed to draw it though. Wait, I need whiskers.
What are you writing, Aaron?
Cookie swirls.
Cookie swirls.
Her C is supposed to be backwards.
It's supposed to be backwards.
I made a cookie with Play-Doh for her tonight too.
Aaron loves Cookie Swirl C.
I love it. I'm gonna try a cookie. It's like a rock cookie. Chocolate chips. This is a great way to tell people to check out our channel.
Oh yeah, you should write it on there. Advertise. Aaron's gonna advertise our channel. Check out.
It's hard to write with chalk. Now my arm hurts.
Alright, free advertising. Hey, you gotta fix the T though. They can't tell it's a T. Fix the T.
Wait a minute, we should all take a bite.
There we go. What are you guys
You can take pictures of us up here.
It's just a photo op area. These are stairs that lead to nowhere. They lead to a wall.
Wait. When you write wrong.
What are you writing? Get some pizza. Don't think. Don't think about the carbs.
Don't think. Don't think.
Okay. All right, girls, let's go.
Cookie Swirl loves pizza too. I wasn't looking.
All right, let's go.
No!
Go.
Pizza!
The pizza's getting cold. We gotta go.
Okay.
Pizza's getting cold. All right, let's
It
go.
smells so good.
It does smell good.